Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that gets a lot of hype online: passive income. You've probably seen countless videos promising you'll get rich overnight with zero effort. Let's be real, most of that is just noise. Sure. Passive income isn't about getting something for nothing. It's about putting in the work up front to build systems that generate money for you down the line with minimal ongoing effort. So, if you're ready to learn about real, actionable strategies that actually work, you're in the right place. We're going to break down several ideas from low-effort starters to more involved business models. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about investing in dividend stocks. This is one of the most classic forms of passive income. When you buy a dividend stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. As a thank you for your investment, the company pays you a portion of its profits, usually every quarter. Now, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The key is consistency and long-term thinking. You start by investing what you can afford and stable. Reputable companies with a history of paying and growing their dividends. Think of big names you use every day. So over time, you can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, which then earn you even more dividends. This is called compounding, and it's incredibly powerful. The initial work is researching good companies, but once you've invested, the income is largely passive. There are tons of apps and online brokers that make it super easy to get started, even with a small amount of money. Next, let's move into the digital world with affiliate marketing. This is a huge one. Here's how it works. You promote other people's products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The beauty of this is you don't have to create your own product, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. The upfront work involves building an audience. This could be through a blog, a YouTube channel like this one, a social media account, or even an email newsletter. You pick a niche you're passionate about, whether it's fitness, tech gadgets, cooking, or anything else. Then you create valuable content that helps your audience. Within that content, you can naturally recommend products you genuinely use and love. For example, a tech reviewer might link to the camera they use. Over time, that content can continue to attract viewers and generate affiliate sales long after you've published it. It takes time to build trust in an audience, but once you do, it can become a very reliable income stream. Let's talk about creating and selling digital products. It is my personal favorite because the profit margins can be close to 100% after the initial creation. A digital product is anything your customer can download instantly. Think ebooks, online courses, photography presets, website templates, digital planners, or even stock music. The initial effort is significant. You have to create a high-quality product that solves a problem or fills a need for a specific audience. For an ebook, you need to write it, design a cover, and format it. For an online course, you need to plan the lessons, record the videos, and edit them. But once that product is finished and listed for sale on a platform like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website, you can sell it an infinite number of times without any additional work per sale. The marketing is ongoing, but the product creation is a one-time effort. If you have a skill or knowledge that others would pay to learn, this is an incredible opportunity. Think about what you're good at. Are you a wizard with spreadsheets? You could sell budget templates. Are you a great graphic designer? You could sell social media templates for small businesses. The possibilities are truly endless here. Another fantastic idea is starting a YouTube channel. Yes, just like this one. Now I know what you're thinking. It's a lot of work. And you're right, it is. But let's look at it through the passive income lens. When you create a video and upload it to YouTube, that video can be discovered and watched for years to come. If your channel is monetized through the YouTube Partner Program, you earn money from the ads that play on your videos. This is called ad revenue. A video I made 3 years ago is still earning me money today, every single day, without me touching it. The upfront work involves learning how to create engaging videos, understanding what people are searching for, and being consistent with your uploads. But each video you create becomes a digital asset. A little worker that's out there 24/7, earning you money while you sleep, travel, or work on other projects. On top of ad revenue, a YouTube channel also becomes a powerful platform for other income streams we've discussed, like affiliate marketing and selling your own digital products. Let's shift gears to something a bit more tangible: rental properties. This is the definition of a traditional passive income asset, but it comes with a big disclaimer. It's capital intensive and can be more hands-on than people think. The basic idea is you buy a property, a house, or an apartment, and rent it out to tenants. The monthly rent they pay covers your mortgage, taxes, insurance, and other expenses. Whatever is left over is your profit, your passive income. The upfront work involves saving for a down payment, getting a mortgage, finding and buying the right property, and then finding reliable tenants. The passive part can be a bit tricky. You might have to deal with repairs, vacancies, or difficult tenants. However, you can make it much more passive by hiring a property management company. They'll handle everything from collecting rent to fixing a leaky faucet for a percentage of the rental income. Over the long term, not only do you get monthly cash flow, but the property itself will likely appreciate in value, building your net worth. It's a big commitment, but the financial rewards can be substantial. Okay, let us look at an option that requires almost no money to start: licensing your photos or videos. If you're someone who loves taking pictures with your phone or a camera, you could be sitting on a potential income stream. There are stock photography and stock video websites like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and Pond5 where you can upload your content. When a business marketer or content creator wants to use your photo or video clip in their project, they pay a licensing fee, and you get a cut of that fee. The key here is quality and volume. Your photos need to be well lit and in focus. Think about what kinds of images businesses need. Pictures of people working in an office, diverse groups of friends having coffee, beautiful landscapes, or close-ups of food are all very popular. The more high-quality photos you upload, the higher your chances of making sales. Each photo becomes a tiny digital asset. One photo might only earn you a few cents or dollars per month, but with a portfolio of thousands of photos, it can really add up to a nice passive side income. Here's one you might not have considered: creating a niche website or blog. It's similar to the affiliate marketing model, but can be broader. You choose a specific topic you're interested in, say sustainable gardening or training for your first marathon. You then create a website and consistently publish high-quality, helpful articles about that topic. You focus on writing content that answers questions people are searching for on Google. This is called search engine optimization, or SEO. The initial phase is all about writing. You might need to write 30, 50, or even 100 articles before you start seeing significant traffic. But as your site starts to rank on Google, people will find your articles organically. How do you make money? There are several ways. You can place display ads on your site using services like Google AdSense or MediaVine. You also can use affiliate marketing, linking to gardening tools or running shoes. And of course, you can create and sell your own digital products, like a gardening guide or a marathon training plan. Your old articles will continue to attract visitors and earn money for years, making it a powerful passive income engine. So there you have it, several realistic passive income ideas that actually work. The common theme here is that they all require significant effort up front. Whether it's the time it takes to create a digital product, the consistency needed to build a YouTube channel, or the capital required to buy a rental property. The passive part comes later, after you've built the system. My advice is to pick one that genuinely interests you. If you hate writing, don't start a blog. If you're camera shy, maybe YouTube isn't the best fit right now. Choose something that aligns with your skills and passions, because that's what will keep you going during the initial building phase. Start small, be patient, and stay consistent. True financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. I hope this gave you some valuable ideas and a realistic perspective. If you've got value from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.